Portland is expecting some extreme weather this weekend. I'm getting prepared with new tires. Are you prepared though to buy a property in 2024? Whether you're taking your first steps or fine-tuning your strategy, understanding the fundamental language of real estate is paramount. In this post, I'll cover the top 5 real estate investment terms that are essential for every investor's toolkit. From cash flow to leverage, these terms form the bedrock of successful investing. I think it is also important to know that the right meaning for terms that many people stretch the meaning or completely change them. This information was pulled from my friend Mark over at investformore.com. Check out his info for great tools and information as well. So let's dive in and equip ourselves with the knowledge that will shape your journey in 2024 towards financial prosperity and freedom. So the first one, cash flow, the foundation of financial success. Let's start with a term close to everyone's heart, cash. Beyond the straightforward inflow and outflow of funds, it serves as the cornerstone of financial success in real estate. It's one of the primary metrics I use to make purchases and decisions. You got to look at how good the deal is. How much value can I add? Many people will tell you that cash flow is simply rent minus the mortgage and insurance. However, if you want to know the true cash flow, you need to know all of your expenses. So here's an example. Let's say you're bringing in $2,000 a month on a rental property. That's not uncommon these days. Your mortgage is $1,100. We're assuming the tax, insurance is in there, accounted for. Now you need to think about vacancies. Set aside $100, maintenance $200, property management, usually 10% of the gross rent, so $200. If you deduct all that, some investors might say you're bringing in $700, thinking of the vacancy and things like that, not accounting for maintenance. But really, if you set those money aside to get an accurate number, the true cash flow is more like $400. Still pretty good. Now, if taxes and insurance are separate, it could be even worse. And my friends at Invest for More have a great free calculator. I'll link that in the notes that you can use. Run numbers to see if what you're considering buying is worth it and a good deal. Number 2, cap rate. This is a metric that's used for strategic business making, especially in commercial properties, multifamily investing. Gives you an idea of what the property would make without the financing and what the property is worth based on the income. Basic formula is you take your net income, how much money the property is making after all your expenses, and you divide it by what you paid. The cap rate formula may seem simple enough, but it can be manipulated very easy. Sometimes investors don't include all the expenses. The net operating income may be projected as actual income. Never taking these numbers as absolute without digging into them. Now that's the first 2 real estate terms every investor should know. What's the next 3? Hit the like button and stand by for more.